Hello everyone, welcome to Hobbies. Today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer your pattern onto your fabric by using carbon transfer paper. I like to use the carbon transfer paper just because I don't like to draw on top of my iPad as a light source behind the pattern, and I also find it hard to transfer using a window. And the carbon transfer paper is just really easy to use. I can set it on my desk, draw over it really quickly. I've got the carbon transfer paper from Amazon. It was really cheap, came in a pack of like 25 different sheets. I use one sheet for each design I use, and it's really user friendly. So I make sure that my transfer paper has dark side down. That's going to be the carbon transfer side. I line up my pattern on top of that and make sure that it's centered on the fabric that I have. And then I just take a pin and go over every single little detail that is on the pattern. And I draw over it about 2 or 3 times just to make sure that it transfers a dark line onto the fabric, and I find that helps a lot. Today I am going over our Coco pattern that's going to be on Etsy shop right now. I think this pattern is just so cute. I love Coco. She's adorable. I love her dress. I surrounded her with little hearts, branches, and the lily of the valleys that are in the game. So if you're interested in this pattern, please check out my Etsy shop. It's on sale now. As you can see, I am just going over every line a couple times over, making sure to really press hard with my pin. Your wrist will probably start to hurt after a while. That's okay. Feel free to take breaks. I usually don't pin my design down or my paper down, but that is an option that you can do. If you just take a safety pin or any sort of pin that you have, a sewing pin, you can stick it through the fabric and the paper to keep it all together. If you do that, I do suggest doing maybe one on top and one on bottom, or one on the left corner and one on the right corner, just to make sure it doesn't rotate from that point that you pin in. When I draw over the carbon transfer paper, I do move the pattern around a lot. When you do this, just make sure to press down with both hands and rotate the entire set of the fabric, the transfer paper, and your pattern completely together, just so that you don't move around the fabric and the design and the pattern, or else you'll kind of end up with a pattern that's in different places than it should be. So here I am just going over the entire pattern, the entire design, making sure that the design gets transferred onto my fabric. Once you have finished transferring your pattern onto your fabric, I will show you how to fit your fabric onto your hoop. So I use a 8-inch hoop. On the inside of that hoop, it's going to be 7.5 inches. That's what this pattern is fitted for. So I use a plastic hoop that has a little tightener and loosener at the top. I put my fabric on top of that hoop and make sure that it's centered. And then I center the loosener and the tightener at the top, right in the middle of the fabric as well. And then I tighten it a little ways, but not all the way. And I'll start pulling my fabric to make sure that it's tight. When you fit your fabric to your hoop, you do want to make sure that your fabric is tightened and very tight in the hoop, because when you start stitching, you don't want it to be too loose, or else you'll have weird pulls and cinches, or your threads will be too loose whenever you start stitching. So here I am tightening, pulling my fabric, tightening the hoop, and then re-pulling my fabric just to make sure that it's tight all the way around and to keep making sure that the design is centered. I do my final tightening and then you are ready to stitch. And that is one way that you can transfer your design and fit your hoop. I hope you enjoy, and if you're interested in this pattern, it is on my Etsy shop. Happy stitching!